Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the phone number and Google account match the original backup. This prevents restore conflicts. Once done, open a file manager and go directly to WhatsApp/databases in internal storage. You're looking for the latest MSG store file named MSG store YMMDD. 1. DB. Crypt12, note its date. If you find multiple Crypt12 files, pick the most recent one. Also verify WhatsApp is uninstalled or disabled before the next step, so the app won't overwrite local. Now make the file ready. Rename the chosen backup to MSG store. DB. Crypt12 if it has a date suffix so WhatsApp recognizes it. Once renamed, place it in the WhatsApp/databases folder on internal storage. Use copy then confirm permissions. Next, install WhatsApp from the Play Store. Do not launch the app normally yet. Instead, open it to start the setup flow and enter the same phone number. When prompted, WhatsApp will detect the local backup and display a restore option. Tap Restore to proceed. Let the restore run uninterrupted. You'll see message and media restoration progress. Make sure the device stays powered and has enough storage. Once the process finishes, WhatsApp will rebuild chats and media indexes. Then tap next to view restored conversations. If you don't see a restore option or it fails, make sure the backup file name is exact, the database's folder permissions allow access, and storage is sufficient. If problems persist, consider restoring an older backup file or checking crypt file compatibility cautiously. Don't attempt crypt key hacks unless you know what you're doing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.